Friends, in this video we will learn about how to find the square root of the decimal numbers. For example, in this example, find the square root of 1242.5625. Hence, we have to find the value of root 1242.5625. So let us solve this sum with long division method. First of all, we write the values 1242.5625. First of all, we make the pairs. Before decimal, we move from right side to left side for making the pairs. So let us make the pair. Pair 1 is 42 and second pair is 12, and after decimal we move from left side to right side. So making the pairs, we get 56 and 25. Now we have made the pairs in this sum. Now let us solve it using long division method. First of all, take first pair, that is 12. So we will put the value 3 into 3, because 3 into 3 can be put below 12, because if we put 4 into 4, then it comes to the 16. So a value lesser than 12 is 3 into 3 will be put. Hence 3 into 3, hence the first value is 3. Subtract 9 from 12, we get 3, and take the pair 42 here. Now add these values. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Now we have to put the value which comes below 342. So 6 into 4 into 4, the value is less, so we put the value 5 into 5, that is 325, and 5 here. So it becomes 65 into 5 is equal to 325, which value is lesser than 342, and after subtraction we get 17, and 17 is less than 65, so it is correct. Now we take next pair 5, 6, the value becomes 1756. Now add 6, 5 and 5, we get 70. Now we have to put the value which should be placed below 1756. So if we multiply, if we put 703 into 3, then the value becomes more than 1756. So we have to put the value 702 into 2. So 702 into 2 is equal to 1404, and we can put this value below 1756. Now subtract 1756 and 1404, we get 352. Subtracting 1404 from 1756, we get 352, and we take next pair 25. Now add 702 and 2, we get 704, and we have to put the value which can be placed below 35225. So we put here 5, that becomes 7045, and multiply with 5, because this number and this number should be same. Here 3 into 3, here 5, 5, 2, 2, here 5, 5. So 7045 into 5 has the value 35225 and the value 5 is also put here. So in this method we have solved the value of square root 1242.5625 with long division method, and the values comes 35.25. This is the square root of this value.